if the matrix C is given by 4, 1, 2, 3, find C squared minus 3C plus 4I. So what you have is C squared, and this is C. So just take, remember C squared is the same as taking C times C. So in this case, you're going to take C, which is 4, 1, 2, 3, and then we are going to multiply that by itself. That is 4, 1, 2, 3. And then we have minus 3C. So just going to take 3, and then we multiply that 3 by C, which is 4, 1, 2, 3. That is some scalar multiplication. And then we're going to add to this one, that is 4I. So that is 4. And remember that I is the identity matrix. So in this case, we're going to use a 2 by 2, that is 1, 0, 0, 1. So I represents the identity matrix or the unit matrix, the one with ones in the main diagonal and zeros elsewhere. So let us simplify what we have. So here, we're going to multiply this. Remember, the rows multiply the columns. So we're going to have 4 times 4 plus 1 times 2. And we're going to have 4 times 1 plus 1 times 3. Then we're going to have 2 times 4 plus 3 times 2. Then we're going to have 2 times 1 plus 3 times 3. That is the multiplication bit. Okay, minus 3 times this. This is a scalar multiplication. So in a scalar multiplication, every term inside the matrix is multiplied by the scalar. So it is 3 times 4, which is 12. 3 times 1, which is 3. 3 times 2, which is 6. And we have 3 times 3, which is 9. And then there's another scalar multiplication. 4 will multiply each and every element in this matrix. So we have 4 times 1. And 4 times 1 is 4. Then 4 times 0, which is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. And 4 times 1 is 4. So let us simplify this. So 4 times 4 is 16. So it means we have 16 plus 2 times 1, which is just 2. Then we have 4 times 1, that is 4, plus 1 times 3, which is just 3. Then 2 times 4, which is 8, plus 3 times 2, which is 6. And that is 2 plus 9. And then we have 12, 3, 6, 9. Then we have plus 4, 0, 0, 4. So here we have 18, we have 7, we have 14, we have 11. So let us just rewrite that. So that is 12, 3, 6, 9. And we are going to add 4, 0, 0, 4 to that. Now, all is left is plus and minus. So remember, these ones just go with corresponding terms. So 18 minus 12 plus 4. So that will be 18 minus 12 plus 4. Then the next is 7 minus 3 plus 0. 7 minus 3 plus 0. Then we have 14 minus 6 plus 0. Then we have 11 minus 9 plus 4. So let us see what we get from this. So that is going to be, you have 18 minus 12 plus 4. You can apply both mass there. So that will be 18 plus 4, which is 22 minus 12, that is 10. So you have 10. Then here you have 14 plus 0, which is 14, minus 6, that is 8. So you have 8 here. Then here you have 7 minus 3, which is just 4. Then 11 plus 4 is 15 minus 9. That is that will be 6. That is the value of the expression that we had.